Guys, welcome back to Olivia Brooks Kitchen. If you're busy but still want to eat something delicious and homemade, this video is for you.
Hi, I'm Olivia, and here I share simple, fresh, and cozy recipes for everyday life. So if you love easy cooking, I cannot wait to dive into this. The flavors are so fresh, and the combination of the sweet potato and the creamy avocado is just perfect.
Vibrant, and packed with nutrients. This salad is the perfect way to brighten your day.
One of my favorite quick lunches. I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching.